welcome back to another episode of the Jenallee Show. I'm Jenny Long.
And I'm Celie Clark.
And we are
Jenallee.
We are here at Greenfield Elementary today with some really awesome Breakout EDU sessions. So we're going to talk to a couple teachers here that have been doing a lesson today and let them tell you all about it.
All right, so we're here with Mr. Street and Mr. Main at Greenfield. And can you guys kind of tell us what you're doing today?
Okay, we are doing an escape room over solids, liquid, and gases. And basically, the kids are given a lock and a box and a bunch of clues, and they have to solve the riddles or clues or whatever it may be. It could be a 4-digit code, a lock to get a code to get a key. There's one that's a word lock, so they have to solve all these different riddles or codes or clues to get the key to or the code to open the lock. And then there's something in the lock. And then once they get all the locks open, they have to come to me, and then they win. It's kind of the breakout session where they escape the room.
And so what are on the clues or on the questions that you have? Or what's the subject, I guess, really?
Well, this one's titled Matter or Solids, Liquid, and Gases. And like they might have to find, like page 1, they find a word on page 1, a letter on page 2, a paragraph on page 3, and then they have to, and for that one is, the code is,
There we go.
so yeah, they solve it to get the key to unlock it.
Awesome. All right, so Mr. Main, what are you doing with this next week?
They broke out into groups, and there's like 4 or 5 different groups. I'm going to try it as a whole class and work on communication to see if they can communicate with each other and try to break out as a group. So it'll be different. We started this, there's digital ones to do too. So we started it digitally so they could get an idea of what the clues look like and what all that looks like to get them ready for this.
Awesome. Okay, so can you guys share with us the setup process?
Well, it's easy to teach, it's just getting everything together, but a Breakout EDU does have many free lessons. So all you have to do is print out the stuff, and then that's a tricky part. You need the glow-in-the-dark pens, the black light flashlights, and then a bunch of locks. But we solicited our parents and the other teachers on our campus, and then bought a few things that we needed.
And you did this pretty fast because you contacted us like a week ago or so, less than 2 weeks, and kind of gathered all of this and started really getting all your
People
materials.
were really generous with locks. I had never seen a directional lock before, and a parent had one and gave it to us. So that was nice.
We got the black lights off Amazon.
Yeah.
The couple other things on Amazon.
We searched our houses for things. He got stuff from home, and
That's great. All right, so check out Breakout EDU. There are some free ones that you can print out and do with your class, or the digital version. So go check that out and let us know what you think. And if you need help, we'll be happy to help you.
All right,
Have a great day.
Bye.